back into my channel. So I got a whole bunch of products. Thumbnail. So if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey. And while y'all down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So today's video is actually a PR unboxing. So a company sent me some products, some hair care products to review, and I've been testing them out over the past week or two, and I just wanted to share with y'all, you know, my thoughts and opinions. So the brand is called Don't Touch My Hair. I was going to insert the Solange clip, but I don't want to get copyrighted. But the brand is called Don't Touch My Hair, you guys, and it's a bunch of like scented things. So they sent me like, I think it was like 8 different items. So I'm gonna break it down to you guys, everything that I got, and everything, you know, that it comes with. These products are popping, they slapping. Like, I really enjoy using these products. So let me break them down each one by one, and we'll talk about pros and cons of each one, and then, you know, we'll get into it. Also, if you guys like this hair, my makeup, I do have videos on those. I'll link those down below, so make sure you check those out, okay? I'll be liking my makeup and stuff, so make sure you watch the tutorial, period. So, okay, let's get into the first product. The first product that they sent me is actually an edge pomade stick, you guys. So this is just basically a wax stick. So if you guys know, if you're like wearing wigs and stuff, sometimes you'll want to slick this right on your part, and it gets it like super flat, and then you'll run over it with a hot comb, and it just gives you this sleek look. So this one is the edge pomade stick. It says it's infused with argan oil and no flakes for all hair types, mega hold. So I have this one in the scent pineapple. You guys, this smells so good. So it's just, you know, a typical stick, and you roll it up kind of like deodorant. Love that. It's just really, it's really nice. So I will say that it goes, when you put it on, you will get a thick white residue, but when you brush it out, it's gone, and it doesn't leave kind of like a waxy feel. Even though it is a wax stick, it doesn't leave that kind of ickiness. So I really recommend this, you guys, and it smells awesome. Like, who wants their hair smelling like pineapples? Me. This is like so cool. I've never had scented products, and you would think because it's scented it would not be like working right, but yes, y'all, this product is bomb. So let's move on to the next one. The next product is the Wrap Set hair foam. This is basically mousse, you guys. So it says infused with argan oil, no flakes for all hair types, and it's a lightweight hold. So this one is coconut flavored. You don't eat this. Don't eat this, y'all. So it's coconut scented, and it is your typical, you know, kind of squirt bottle or whatever. This product, I was kind of like at a loss because it's very sticky. Even though it says lightweight hold, it's sticky, you guys. I wasn't too happy with the texture that it left on my hair on this, but you know, if you're this is mainly, I would think, for how can I get that out? This is mainly for curly hair, you guys. If you guys like that kind of like crunchy, defined curl look, I definitely recommend this. But I like to brush my, like when I do curly hair, I like to brush it out and get that softer wave. And it left my curls a little sticky, and I was not able to kind of like run my fingers through it without it feeling like icky. So yes and no on this one. Not too sure if I like that one or not, but that's okay. So let's move on to the next product. The next product is the lace tint spray, you guys. They have a lace tint spray that is grape scented. What? Love this stuff. Like, okay, so they sent me this in the skin tone. Oh, actually it says blueberry. I thought it was grape, but it's blueberry, and they sent me this in the skin tone medium brown, y'all. It says instant pigmentation, perfect match to your skin tone, infused with argan and castor oil. I believe that. However, my only con with this is that it was too dark for me. Too dark. I would recommend going up. You need to go up with this because it's a little bit dark. Now it is instant pigmentation, you guys. It's more of a squirt liquid lace tint kind of vibe. So I did show you guys, you know, that this is how it is. I rip off a little piece of lace and show you guys that it instantly tints. And it even like tinted on my arm, and it does wash off with water, like sea salt. It does rinse off with water, so you don't have to worry about all that. But yeah, this one is really good. I like it. Just I needed to go up a shade, so that's okay. That's okay. The next item that I have, they sent me lace glue. Y'all know I don't use lace glue on my channel. I'm more of a glueless bae, so I wasn't able to review this one, but they do offer a lace glue. It says that it's infused with argan oil, sweat resistant, and forever tacky extreme hold. Not sure what the forever tacky means, but I don't think that's good when it's forever tacky, because you want it to like dry clear and stuff. So I'm not quite too sure about this one, so don't clock me on it. I don't know about that one. So yeah. The next item that I have is the leave-in conditioner, you guys. So I did use this one actually, and I really enjoyed this one. So it's leave-in conditioner and it's avocado scented. So this one is avocado scented. It says it's got vitamin E, aloe vera, argan oil, pro vitamin B complex, and it has this kind of nozzle that has like a lock and an unlock on it, and it's just, I really like the nozzle on this one. So it's really easy to use, and it comes out in a stream that's not too much. So I really like this leave-in conditioner. I will note, however, that it is very oily. So I've used it on my wig to show you guys how it worked and stuff, but it was very oily. It was very oily, okay? So use this in moderation. Don't spray it all over your wig like I did. Because yeah, use it in moderation. I recommend squirting some in your hand and kind of, you know, rubbing it together and working it through the hair. Don't just squirt it all over, because it'll be very oily. But yeah. The next item that I have is hair glue gel. So this is supposed to be the equivalent to Got To Be, like the, you know, the gel, not the spray, the gel. So this is the hair glue gel. This is pineapple. Ooh, this is pineapple scented, y'all. Pineapples, love it. So it says it's extreme hold. So I was able to test this out, and I really like the hold on it. I swear, like with the scent, it kind of throws some of the products off. So I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the way that this smells. Like, it smells really good. But I definitely will use this if necessary. It's not a bad product, so check it out. This other product that I have is edge tamer, you guys. So it's basically edge control. This is coconut scented, and it says it's a mega hold. So this I was actually able to use on my natural hair. That's the tea. If it works on your natural hair, it'll work on anything. And so this actually works on my natural hair, and it like slicked my edges down, and they stayed, y'all. They stayed. So I really like this edge control. I want to say that it's kind of giving me that Evan 24-hour stuff vibes. It's very thick, like real like sticky, and it's scented. So it gets the job done, and it does what it's supposed to do. It says no flakes, and there were no flakes at all. It just, you know, glided on. I swooped them, tied it down, and they were like intact for at least a day or two. So love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then the last product, I believe this is the last product, you guys. This is actually hair color. This is the last product. So this is actually hair color paint, you guys. So this is, I don't know if you guys have seen, but sometimes people on Instagram, they be like coloring their hair with like this little paint stuff. So they sent me this color in gold. And this one is not, I don't think it's scented. It doesn't say a scent on there. Yeah, it's not scented, but it smells like not like chemically, but good. So this is in the color gold. It says maximum color intensity, 1 coat high coverage, quick and easy spread. And on the back it says that it is vivid hair color paint. And y'all, this paint is vivid. So I tried it on my wig, and it instantly turned the hair gold. Now this isn't a color that I would wear out. I'm wondering if they have other colors, but the consistency and the effect, the transformation that it had on my wig, this is like bomb. And I will say that this one specifically has kind of like glitter flakes in it, so it kind of gives off a reflective vibe. So this was really good, you guys, and I really enjoyed this. And you know, if I'm doing like a crazy color look, I would definitely try the gold, but I would like to see the other colors that they have. So this is really good, and it kind of left the hair a little bit crunchy, but that's how these hair waxes all do. So I'm not gonna say that that's bad, because that's what they do, you know. So yeah. So that wraps it up for this PR unboxing, you guys. They sent me some like awesome products, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys will check out this company. Let me know your thoughts down below. Which product would you try? Would you guys try scented products? Let me know down in the comments. Let's talk about it, okay? And as always, thanks for watching.